Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Friend's Perspective with Rishali. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk about something which I feel is the most underrated quality in any relationship. That's loyalty. We often celebrate love, we celebrate romantic gestures, we celebrate special moments. But I think loyalty is one of the most underrated quality, but in reality it's everything. Loyalty isn't just about staying in a relationship. It's about choosing your partner over and over again and again every single day. No matter how life gets busy, no matter how many new people you are meeting, no matter what distractions are coming your way, you never forget that someone has trusted you with all their whole hearts. And अगर कोई आपकी boundaries को क्रॉस करने की कोशिश करे, you don't have to explain anything to that person. You simply say that I am married or I am committed. Because loyalty isn't just about, loyalty isn't about not having options. It's about, it's about choosing the same partner again and again even when you do have options. हर रिलेशनशिप में प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, डिफ़िकल्टीज आते हैं, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स होते हैं, आर्गुमेंट्स भी होते हैं. कभी कभी लाइफ हमारे पेशेंस और कमिटमेंट दोनों का ही टेस्ट लेती है. बट दैट इज़ द टाइम व्हेन वी हैव टू होल्ड ऑन टू ईच अदर लाइक दिस, टॉक टू ईच अदर, fight the problem and not with each other, because difficult time don't last forever, but the way we stand with each other in those difficult time, that will stay with us forever. People often ask what is the secret of a long lasting relationship. For me, it's not about perfection, it's not about grand gestures or grand promises. It's about trust, respect and loyalty. Because I believe in this thing, loyalty is one of the most beautiful gift we can give to someone we truly love. Because when someone knows that no matter what, this person will always choose me or will always be there for me, that is where love feels safe, that is where relationship becomes stronger, and that is where forever begins. Because in the end, love may begins with the relationship, but loyalty is what keeps it alive. This was my perspective on loyalty. I would love to know your opinion in the comment section. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.